Hello, I'm Diego Serrano, a recent graduate at UC Davis studying sustainable environmental design and an intern here at the Center of Community and Citizen Science. Being an intern here, I learned a lot about engaging with the community and creating ways on empowering the people through information and knowledge that's accessible and relatable. I really value the work that we do here at the center, and personally, I developed skills that will really help me tap in and engage, learn what the needs are of the community wherever I go. And with your donation, you can help us reach more people in more effective ways, because we know that the power of learning is for everybody. Thank you.